Good morning, y'all. Jay Helms here. Hey, wanted to come to you real quick and show you about a new space we have in W2 Plus Pro, and it is called the event space, right? So you're going to find it right here below the Pro community. And what this is this is going to be every event that we have going on, whether it's a podcast recording that you can be a member of the live studio audience because you're here in Pro, or it's going to be eventually it's going to be where we list all the mastermind calls. We're waiting on that. Mastermind members, I'm waiting on to migrate that over from w2capitalist.com/events until the reoccurring event type is available for us here. It's going to stay at that location, right? But I'll redirect the URL, make it super easy for you. But for everybody, mastermind members, pro community members, if there is an event here, if there's a podcast recording, you're invited to come join us in the live studio audience and ask your questions. You'll be able to interact directly with our guests. We've got some super exciting people coming up, just waiting on them to confirm, and we're going to add them to the calendar here. But it's going to be super, super, super exciting. It's one of the benefits you get for being part of the mastermind or part of the pro community. By the way, if you do register for this and you attend this and you go through and start researching the guests and you start having questions, ask your questions ahead of time. Send them to me so I can feed them to our guests. We don't catch them too off guard with anything. And those questions that are sent early are going to get priority when we record the actual event. So make sure you send those questions. You actually email them to me, jay@w2capitalist.com, or you can DM me right here in W2 Capitalist Pro. So the event space is new. Be sure to check back quite frequently because we're going to be starting adding a lot of new events coming in here.